Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview the CopperFlo Solar Pool Ionizer for high-capacity pools. CopperFlo Solar Pool Ionizer is a brand new model that launched in September 2019. Its copper anode is created using a patented process and will last longer than other solar pool ionizer models, which will save you money. The copper anode also produces 25% more ions into your pool compared to earlier models. This product makes maintenance incredibly easy, cutting back on time, energy, and money. Product benefits. The copper electrode will last for approximately 2 to 3 years. Depending on the size of the pool, you will save anywhere from $250 to $750 per year in chemicals. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.